every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm gonna try Laura's Pignolis. Don't they just sound so nice? Or in other words, pine nut cookies. And oh my god, should you have seen my mom's eyes sparkle when I told her that? Because pine nuts are one of my mom's absolute favorite nuts. So if you're as excited as we are to see how this recipe goes and how they look and most importantly how they taste in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 150 grams of flour, 160 grams of pine nuts, toasted, 100 grams of butter, 70 grams of powdered sugar, 25 grams of regular sugar, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna start with the pine nuts, and I have just the thing for this task. I have a small little food processor with a blade attachment, and I'm just gonna pulse the pine nuts. Man, just cannot put it back. I'm gonna pulse the pine nuts in here until coarse crumbs. I feel like I could have left out like a couple of pulses or so, because this already is quite finely pulsed, but still, you can definitely see some coarse crumbs there. Okay, I just realized I should mention that I pulsed 8 times, and I think I should have like 5. 5 would have been enough, and I'm making half of the recipe, by the way. Okay, so enough with the pine nuts. Now let's move on to the batter. So into a large bowl, I'm gonna add the butter, the regular sugar, and vanilla extract, and just mix everything together. Now before adding my dry ingredients into the wet mixture, I want to briefly mix the salt into the flour, then add them here along with the pine nuts and just mix everything together. Okay, the fact that I just switched to my left hand shows that I should stop. So now I'm just gonna cover the bowl with some plastic wrap and put this into the fridge to set for 1 hour. Oh, that was a long hour because I was mentally sitting and waiting for the cookies. I kept remembering that, oh, an hour is just like going, so it took so long. But finally it's over. So I have my dough here. I have a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. I have my oven preheating to 180 degrees. I'm ready to rock and roll, how Laura says. So I have a small ice cream scoop here, which I'm gonna use to form the cookies so that they're all nice and even and perfect. I will actually press on the bottom of the cookie just to help the dough to kind of form into a nice bubble and stick together, because this is quite a flaky dough. Just place them all here and wait some more while they're baking. They look so cute. Okay, now this will go into the very bottom rack into the oven for 20 minutes. These do smell nice, but quite an unfamiliar smell, I should add, because I don't think I ever ate anything like this. I let them cool down for 3 minutes because now I'm gonna roll them in the powdered sugar. Well, 3 minutes are supposed to help you do that with fingers. Not really sure. They are right out of the oven, and you do want to roll them in the powdered sugar while they're still hot. So once I roll every single cookie in the powdered sugar, then I'm gonna do it once again. So every single cookie will be rolled out twice. And that's it. have powdered sugar everywhere, even on my camera, everywhere. Okay, so Laura said absolutely nothing about waiting for these cookies to cool down like she normally does, so guess what we're doing now. Man, that's a lot of sugar, really. I just bit half of the cookie. It's exactly my coffee break time. Ooh, they taste exactly how they smell like. If that makes any sense. I love the texture. Oh my god. It's flaky, hence the little plate. I saw Laura eat these cookies. She made a mess. I'm prepared. Oh my god. It's like super flaky and crumbly, but it has this nice texture because what did we do? We didn't chop. Well, we pulsed the pine nuts. Oh man, no cooking. We have some. Okay, I should really finish chewing. I love it. Oh my god, so good. And not too much sugar after all. So, about the texture. You have some coarse parts, some fine parts, so it's really nice. It's a really nice and satisfying texture, I have to say. I have tried nothing like this. It's really nice. I'm not that familiar with pine nuts, to be honest, so like if I ate something like this, I don't really think I would be able to just like guess that they're made from pine nuts, just because I don't really know that taste that well. I know what pine nuts are, but my mom primarily uses them in salad, so I don't think I'd expect them to be in something like this. But you know what's cool? Because it's such a buttery cookie, when you take them out of the oven and you just like dredge them in the powdered sugar, it looks as if it has some sort of like a layer, almost like a glaze, and then so as if you just sprinkled some powdered sugar. It looks really unique. I don't know if you can tell, but like that's a nice cookie. This is an expensive cookie, might I add, because at least in Lithuania, pine nuts are crazy expensive. So, that said, guess what I'm ready to do? My coffee break is on, man. Okay, so if you want to check Laura's video, the link is there. If you want the written recipe of this amazing cookie, perfect for coffee break, if I may say so myself. Right now, you can find the recipe in the description box down below. As always, it will be in both American and the metric systems. If you want to compare how I did, there's the photo there of Laura's cookies. And that's basically it. If you fancy more cookie recipes, the playlist is on the screen right now, and I'll just be running away, I guess. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!